Hi everyone, so you may or may not know this, but if you're like me and you like convenience, or you might just be lazy and you want to do things the easier way, the Windows plus H shortcut key launches voice typing. Now this is very useful for many instances, but one of the best instances is that you don't have to type, especially when you need to type something that is particularly long and you don't want to waste time typing, you just want to say it. But keep in mind that you have to say things very clearly. Okay, so to do this, you just need to press the Windows key and the H key simultaneously, and you're gonna get this dictation bar coming up for you. Okay, I'm on dark mode, so everything is dark, so don't mind that. You will get maybe a gray one or a light gray one. But after you do that, you can now click on this microphone logo and the computer will type it down for you. So in order to do this, you need to select the field where you're gonna type first and then click on the microphone. What is the weather like today? And as you can see, it dictated exactly what I said and gave me the results of what the weather is like today. Also, you can do cool things like, say for example, you're traveling and you want to calculate things and you don't want to calculate them and you need to pay someone commission. You just go to Google, click there, and then you click here and say, what is 18% of 9,540? And you calculate, and there you go. You have the answer. The answer to that is 1717.2. So you see there, it's really easy to find out things, to ask Google questions. Of course you know how to do that, but what I'm saying is you can use this in order to do that. Now let me show you how it works in Microsoft. So now we're in Microsoft Office and look at what you can do. Say for example you need to type an essay but you don't want to type it because you get a lot more done by speaking instead of talking. Well, here's your help. You can simply use this again, press Windows and H at the same time. This is a test of Windows speech-to-text capability. We want to see if this can accurately type what we are saying. And as you can see there, it actually typed what I was saying pretty well. It really read it like 100%. Now you might need to edit your stuff by putting punctuations. I find that it's not really good at putting punctuations. It would type what you commanded as punctuation. Instead, if you say full stop, it'll type full stop. But yeah, this is a really neat feature and I love using it. I use it all the time. So click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tips and tricks like this. Peace.